Audio desync in Roblox can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to minimize or eliminate the issue. Follow these steps to help improve your audio experience in Roblox. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. A weak connection can lead to lag in audio desync. Consider using a wired connection or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can help with audio issues. Check for updates in the Roblox app or website. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. Go to the audio settings within Roblox and adjust the volume levels. Sometimes lowering the volume can help with syncing issues. You can also try toggling sound effects on and off to see if it makes a difference. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background on your device. Background processes can consume resources and lead to performance issues, including audio desync in Roblox. Step 5. Restart your device. If you continue to experience audio desync, try restarting your device. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh system resources, potentially resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce audio desync in Roblox and enhance your gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.